So in this video, you'll learn how to find your missing Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So in order for you to be able to use the find feature, you have to ensure that the buds are successfully connected to your phone and that they are out of the case. If they're still in the case and the case is closed, then you won't be able to use the find feature. However, if they're out of the case, then it's simple for you to use the find feature. And so once you're ready to find your buds, it's fairly simple. All you need to do is simply launch the Soundcore app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. And again, because they're connected, you should see this page appearing on your screen. If you've been brought here, then just tap on the Aerofit 2 device so that you can view the device page. The next step in order for you to find them is to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. And then under your more settings page, look for find a device and tap on it. So you'll have for left and for right. So if you want to find your right earbud, just tap on this play button here. And then ensure that the buds are not on your ears to avoid any issues that can be caused because of the loud sound. Then tap on continue. And you should hear a sound coming from your bud. Once you've heard the sound, you can now locate it. And when you're happy, you can tap on pause and then the sound will stop being heard. You can do the same thing on the right bud. You can tap on play, confirm that you wish to continue, and then you can be able to hear the sound coming from the bud. And so that's how you can find your missing Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.